How to find articles in the Proquest Nursing and Allied Health Database. First, go to the college's homepage, which is www.wpcc.edu, and then click on the library link located on the blue bar at the top of the page. Now you're on the library's homepage, which shows the hours of operation and basic contact information. For access to the databases, scroll down the page and click on the Online Resources link. Please note that your regular login username and password will be required if you are accessing off-campus. This page lists the online library resources. Scroll down to access the Nursing and Allied Health Database link. Now click on Nursing and Allied Health Electronic Resources link. Scroll down the list of databases to Proquest Nursing and Allied Health Database. Now click on the link. This is the opening search page, and you can enter your keywords in the search box, remembering that the more keywords you enter, the narrower your results will be. Also, make sure you click on the full text link located under the search box. Also, if you only want peer-reviewed, scholarly, or academic journals, click the peer-reviewed box. For our example, we entered asthma in children in the search box and checked both full text and peer-reviewed, and then hit search. Here's the first page of results, and you can see there are a lot. There are 42,712 results. So we're going to use the column below to narrow down our results. If you scroll down, the options include publication date. You can also narrow down by search by publication title, document type, subject, language, and more. We click on the subject heading, and some of the subject headings appear. Notice that the total number of hits for each subject is to the right of the heading. For example, if we choose male, our total hits will be 7,598. This is a subset of our original search of asthma in children. So now we will see the results of asthma in male children, and we also narrowed down our search up here from 2010 to present. So now you see we have narrowed it down to 2,708. Right now they're sorted by relevancy. The most relevant search will be displayed on the first pages. Let's click on the first article. Here's the article, and there are several options available. You can see the tabs above the article. You have full text, PDF, abstract details, and reference. Over to the right is a gray toolbox. You can scroll down the page to read the complete article and then use the toolbox over here to cite, print, email, or save. The citation tool opens a new box. Notice the arrow in the box. Clicking on the arrow will display a drop-down menu of the choices of styles that are available. Make sure you choose the correct citation style for your research. Next, we clicked on the print option on the top black bar, and it shows us that there are a total of 5 pages in our printout. So we could then hit the print button and print out our 5 pages. Now let's look at the email option. You must enter information in the boxes marked with red asterisks. You need to enter your email information correctly and then hit continue. The last option is to save the article. The best way is by using the save option on the gray toolbox. Okay, so far we've dealt with a single article. Now let's use the tools for a group of articles. By clicking the box to the left of each of the articles, we are placing them in a virtual folder. The virtual folder is located on the top green bar. Click on the folder and you will see your chosen articles. Now, make sure you have selected all three, and now you can cite them, email them, print them, or save them together. Let's click on the Cite button to see what that looks like. Notice that the selected items shows 3. If you scroll down the Works Cited box, you see that all 3 citations are available. Once again, the default is MLA, so you must choose the correct citation style for your research. This database also has the option of searching for specific publications. Click on the publication link on the top left green bar. This page displays the 1,680 publications included in this database. You can also use the search box to type in a particular title and search that. Notice the full text box to the right. Make sure you mark that so you always get full text. But note that not all titles will have full text available or may have limited dates available. For example, we entered the publication American Nurse, Washington. And this page shows us the latest issue available is November-December 2016. If you wanted an earlier issue, you could click on the date range to the bottom of the page. For 2015, we see that there are 6 issues displayed. We're going to click on July-August issue. Now the 35 articles that were published in that particular issue are displayed. You can click on each title to read that article. If you need further assistance with the Proquest Nursing and Allied Health database, please click on the question mark located on the top right-hand corner of your screen.